English house, and I'm gonna teach you 3 body sounds.
Just follow me.
And the first one was, and when you're getting so much hungry, you're gonna hear, and that is called rumbling. Like on your tummy, there's gonna sound like whoa. And the second one is, what is it called? Yes, burp. Like when you're so much full, you're gonna have like, and that is called burp. And hiccups. When your food is not that much good and the tummy like hurts, you're gonna have hiccups. And that is sounding like, and that is hiccups. To know about the courses at English House, click the link below. That's all for now. See you again. Bye-bye. I'm tired.
English House. English at your fingertips.